Today, we are not asking where variables come from. We are asking when Terraform decides what they mean. This lesson is about timing, not commands, not configuration style, just evaluation. Terraform does not evaluate everything at once. Some values are known early. Some are deferred. Some are never fully known until infrastructure exists. Understanding when the value becomes real explains many surprises later. A variable is not a value, it is a requirement. It is a named gap in the graph. Evaluation only happens when Terraform can satisfy that gap from a source it trusts. Terraform evaluates values in phases, some during configuration loading, some during planning, some only during apply. The phase determines whether a value can shape the graph or must wait inside it. Before we talk about values, let's look at the syntax of a requirement. This block does not produce a number. It declares an expectation. Terraform records the shape, but nothing is evaluated yet. This value is evaluated during configuration loading. Terraform now has an intrinsic baseline. That baseline can still be overridden by external inputs before the plan begins. But absent an override, this value is known early and can shape the graph. Here, timing matters. If the value is known during planning, Terraform can decide how many nodes exist. If it is not known, the graph cannot be finalized. Structure requires certainty. Terraform distinguishes between missing values and deferred values. A missing value means no default was provided. Terraform must ask for input. A deferred value exists, but depends on something that is not known yet. Only known values can shape structure. Sometimes a variable's value does not exist yet. In this case, the subnet ID may come from infrastructure being created in the same plan. Terraform allows the variable to act as a placeholder. Think of it like a reserved sign on the table. Terraform knows the table exists. It just does not know who will sit there yet. Because this value does not change the graph structure, Terraform accepts the placeholder now, knowing the real ID will arrive during apply. Some positions demand early evaluation. Count, for each, resource addressing. Other positions tolerate delay. Terraform enforces this distinction to protect graph integrity. The risk is not failure, the risk is assumption. Assuming a value is known when it is not. Terraform does not guess. It waits or it refuses. Variables are evaluated only when their source is trusted and their timing allows it. Early values shape the graph. Late values fill it in. Terraform is strict, so infrastructure remains coherent. Later, we will see how expressions and functions can delay or force evaluation. Timing is composable.